429 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second. We're going to puzzle the Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the binary and the 4 Stars Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, I've already mentioned there are no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these 3 puzzles for today. This will be number 9722. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. Well, usually the 4 stars has 24. This one 25, should be at 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Question is it a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the third one, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 in the last column, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 1. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. How about, need an 8 here. Need a 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. That means we need a 9 there. Alright, how about 2, 4, 6, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. I need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Let me see. Need a 4 there. 3, 5, 9. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on. These 3 missing numbers in the second column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 8 and 5, 8 and 5. It means that in the first column, these 2 missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. Number 2. 4, 5, 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then I need an 8 here. Need an 8 here. Come on, come on, come on. I need a 4 here. I'm thinking. Come on, come on. 8, need a 9 here. Need a 3. Yeah. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row, so in the row between. Only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 will be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so in the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. Okay. 2, 3. 2, 3. Come on. 4, 8. Well, need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 2, 5. Need 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 5, 5. 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, and then 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 in this column should be there. 9, okay. Then let me see. So here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4 then. Okay. 2, 3, 8. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 there. Come on, 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Then let me see 2, 4, 5, 5 and 2, 2, 5 and 3. Need a 3 here. 3 there, okay. No 3. 3, 3. Need a 2. And I need a 5 here. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 5 and a 3 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last column for number 2. 8 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 and 3. Okay. 2 and 4. 3 and 5. Come on, come on. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 8 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Need a 4 there, okay. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between the only place left for 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. The 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, and the 5. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 is missing here. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 4. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 numbers, 1 box left in this third row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, quicker than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.